Kia ora, my name is Ross McDougall. I have a few hats that I wear. I play guitar in a heavy metal band, hardcore band called Saving Grace. I am a social media consultant by day, and I am a streamer, and I'm a content creator as well. So my day job is a social media advisor for Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, which is a Māori tertiary education provider. As social media advisor, I was looking for content that I could use to normalize the use of Te Reo Māori, and as a gamer, I thought it would be a fascinating and relatively quick process to translate the Fortnite map. So we tried to maintain the alliteration and the context of the naming. So I worked with our Potiaki to get the translations done accurately, to try and keep alliteration where possible, but also ensure that the context was there as well. And we just put it up on a Thursday night as part of our BAU content on social media. And it went a bit viral. We had a great response. We had some mainstream news attention come from that. And what it did for me was show that we had an ability here, a platform in terms of video games to use to enhance and promote the normalization of Te Reo Māori, especially for a younger demographic where we'd be speaking their language essentially by incorporating video gaming into the promotion of Te Reo Māori. So seeing the success of our Facebook posts for the map translation, we decided to incorporate some Fortnite activities during our Mahura Māori campaign. Mahura Māori is a campaign we've run for a few years now, which is again the normalization of Te Reo Māori, and we promote users during the month of September to speak Te Reo Māori either one day, 1 week, or the entire month of September. MahuraMaori.com is where we kept a lot of our resources for participants, and what we decided to do was flesh out our Fortnite translations. So we did a revised Fortnite map. We also created a Fortnite Roami pack, which was a resource pack for players of Fortnite to use Te Reo Māori. So we translated every single item in the game, and also some cheat sheets in terms of common sayings to be used in third-person shooters, so that they could use Te Reo Māori themselves or practice. Also as well, we did a broadcast. We sponsored Let's Play Live's Night Squad stream during Māori Language Week.
Kora te toto tuatahi. The first blood. What am I doing? Trap kill! Trap kill! Trap kill! Trap kill! Kani kani! Kani kani!
We had front page of Twitch. We had Fortnite tweeting about the event when we went live. We had a lot of people pleasantly surprised to see Te Reo Māori being spoken on the front page of Twitch. We had 300 or 400 people downloading our support packs during the evening. We got some great feedback from that, and personally it was just great to incorporate two different worlds that I'm currently in, the gaming industry and Te Ao Māori. We were very humbled by the fact that we were recognized by the Māori Language Awards for the Mahura Māori Fortnite campaign. It just reinforces the fact that the normalization of Te Reo Māori across all facets of life, including gaming, certainly has, there's a want and a need there. I'm a big advocate for the promotion of Te Reo Māori, especially within gaming, and I'm really excited to see what else that we can do.